Story time. 3 years post-separation, living in a Spanish property that was meant to be shared. Valued at $230,000 in August 2020. I drained the pool in year 2 as the pump and the cleaning equipment had broken. September the 15th, 2020, we were meant to be discussing financial proposals. In a discussion, it's usually 2 people talking and listening and working things through. In the meeting that was recorded with his agreement, I was not allowed to talk about the proposal I had written to him. In the first minutes of our meeting, I said I would open the email proposal on my iPad, and he started with, "Hang on, before you find it, you need to be absolutely clear about what I want and need, because reading through this document you put together, I don't really think you've listened at all to what I need. Or maybe I haven't made it clear enough. So I need to make clear to you what I want and what I need. Then you need to go away and think about it, because the first thing I want is I want to break off, terminate, get rid of all my financial, physical obligations and commitments to you. I want it to stop." He had read my email, and with no further explanation from me, he had dismissed my ideas and my proposal as a terribly, terribly, terribly bad idea, and it isn't going to happen. Well, obviously, this did not go well. Due to his inability to discuss things, allow negotiations, and treat me with respect at the end of our 11 years of being in a relationship, as he was in control of all the financial commitments at the property, and on his own decision, he left me in charge of selling the property and giving me a time frame of 4 months to January the 15th of 2021. And that didn't work out either, because by October of 2020, he then decided to go down the route of precarious eviction, and I would leave with nothing. Fortunately for me, and unfortunately for him, he has been paying the electricity and water for 3 years while I have lived in the property. This scenario is not unusual in Spain, as owners who have illegal squatters find that they are still responsible for the utilities. Only I was not a squatter. I was registered as resident and living there from 2016, the year that the pool was built. So since 2022, the year that the precarious eviction verbal hearing was heard in the Spanish civil court in Cartagena, the pool has deteriorated. It doesn't take long to devalue a property when it is neglected. Another bad decision that he made: inability to come to a reasonable settlement. There have been a total of 10 failed attempts. 4 attempts with solicitors or mediation companies, 6 attempts without legal representation, all put forward by me. Well, one thing he was correct about: you cannot negotiate with me. You can't negotiate a gift. A gift that was never given. And after 26 minutes of his one-sided verbal onslaught, he still said he wanted things to remain amicable. Of course, he got that wrong as well.